Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and today you're going to watch how I do a blonde bob quick weave. So first you see I have my braid pattern with the middle part left out. All the products that I'm going to be using today will be in the description box, but I am going to go through these braids and put some oil in there just to keep my scalp moisturized. Now I'm going to be using some mold that I'm going to be putting on top of the cap, and this is going to prevent any hair glue from reaching my real hair. So I'm going to place that protective shield all over my hair on this cap. I'm going to make sure I get it really good on there because the last time I did a quick weave, the glue did get on my hair. Some of my hair came out, so I want to prevent that from happening this time. So I'm going to put a lot of it on there and make sure I smooth it in really good. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer and hand dry it. But I'm going to stop talking so you guys can watch and enjoy this video. And here it is. So now I'm going to take that glue, and that's after I've measured my hair from left to right. I'm going to put glue on that weft. Then I'm going to lay it down and apply some heat with the blow dryer. And that heat is just going to make sure that it's staying intact. But this is so easy. I literally do this throughout my entire head. I just measure from left to right. I cut. I glue the weft. I lay it down and I apply some heat.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my if we never met, babe? If we never met? Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
So now I'm measuring and taking the last two pieces of track that I'm going to put down right behind my leave out. I did not show, but I did cut the cap. So I cut around the edges of my head of the cap and where the leave out is. It was easy to cut because the hair is already glued down. So you just grab it and cut around and just make sure it's comfortable around your head. You can cut the back of it as well. So I'm just laying it down. I'm gonna take the blow dryer just to make sure everything is intact. Now that I have all of the tracks laid, I'm going to be undoing that braid in the middle. Right before I did this quick weave, installing the quick weave, I did dye my natural hair black. It was like a brownish black before. So because I know I wanted to do the blonde, I went ahead and dyed it black. And the ends are a little uneven. It may be from the dryness of the color, but I am going to clip those ends with some scissors just to help with blending it in with that blonde. Now to get my leave out as flat as possible, I did take some cheese silk infusion and I placed that on the root of my hair all the way to the ends, and I am going through with a 1/2 inch flat iron through with my leave out. Yeah, guys, so this flat iron that I got from my local beauty supply store was trash. I don't think it even laid anything down at all. So I did go back over with a different flat iron that you will see, and I think that did a much better job. But yeah, I'm just clipping those in so they don't look raggedy, trying to blend it in with this blonde. Now I'm going back over my hair with the blending stick. I'm going to smooth it in with a brush, and then I'm going to flat iron it one more time all the way around with my leave out. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do me a favor and hit the notification bell to see future videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.